When I was at school and I found the paper on my desk saying I won first place, I couldn't believe it. I never thought I would win. I have 2 dogs, and we had the idea of maybe getting another cat, and dogs and cats sometimes don't get along very well, and I just decided to make a story about that. I really want to be a veterinarian and help animals. I was dedicating my book to my parents because I love them. I have always liked writing narratives mostly, and this just made me feel a lot more confident, maybe even sharing my writings.